Nose?
No, Trevor.
Yes, what about Trevor? Trevor wants Mommy's camera?
Mama, I need down.
Yes, Mama lay down.
Huh.
Are you gonna lay down on Mommy? Oh?
Oh, sheep.
You're gonna sleep on my feet?
Sheep.
No, don't sleep on Mommy's feet. Is Mommy's feet stinky? Did you smell it?
Stinky feet.
Stinky feet, oh no.
And stinky
Stinky feet.
feet. Boy. I'm climb up.
Climb up? Okay, climb up.
Huh?
Climb up in the sofa.
Sheep.
You gonna sleep right here?
Sheep fall. Got circle.
Circle? You see circle?
There's a party.
Yeah, they had a potty. Okay, Trevor. I'll see you later.